How to fix high ping in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix high ping issue in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first reason that you will have a high ping in Roblox is due to a weak internet connection. So if you have a weak internet connection, you will simply need to connect to a stronger one. So for that, you can head over to your Wi-Fi connection, choose a good connection and simply connect to it. But if you do have a strong internet connection and you're still having that issue, you might want to try to disconnect and reconnect to your network, and that should fix the problem. But if that does not fix your problem, the reason can be a lot of your applications are using internet in your device. So for that, you will simply need to end the task. So to do that, you'll need to first open up your task manager. To do that, simply head over to your taskbar and right click on it and you'll see a task manager. Simply tap on task manager. After you tap on Task Manager, you should see the list of applications that are running in your device. So all you now need to do is simply choose the device or the application that you might think is using a lot of data. So as you can see right here, network, my network is not being used a lot by a lot of these tasks. So whichever task is using a lot of your network, you will simply need to right click on them. So right click on them and tap on end task. And after you do that, your network using applications will get turned off and your Roblox should start working just fine. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.